Trolltunga is a popular hiking destination in Norway, known for its scenic views and unique rock formation. The cliff is part of the Precambrian bedrock and was formed during the Ice Age, approximately 10,000 years ago, when the edges of the glacier reached the cliff. The water from the glacier froze in the crevices of the mountain and eventually broke off large, angular blocks, which were later carried away with the glacier. It is located in the municipality of Odda, in the southwestern part of Norway. Trolltunga is located 17 kilometers, 11 miles, from the town of Odda. The city of Bergen is about 190 kilometers, 120 miles, from the site via main roads. The trailhead is located by a small parking area with toilet facilities at Skjeggedal, about 7 kilometers, 4.3 miles, from Norwegian National Road 13 in Tyssedalen, near the dam at the end of Ringedalsvatnet. The name Trolltunga translates to troll's tongue in English, and refers to the rocky protrusion that juts out from the mountain, resembling a tongue. Popularity of the hike to Trolltunga and rock formation itself has exploded in recent years. The increased popularity has turned Trolltunga into a national icon and a major tourist attraction for the region. Until 2010, fewer than 800 people hiked to Trolltunga each year. In 2016, more than 80,000 people hiked the 27-kilometer, 17 miles, round trip from the village of Skjeggedal, making it one of Norway's most popular hikes. 4. This is a very challenging hike, at least 10 hours on rough terrain. There are no shelters on the hike route and no places to buy supplies. However, there is a plan to build a lodge roughly halfway where hikers can rest. The hike to Trolltunga is challenging and takes several hours, but the stunning views of the surrounding fjords and mountains make it a worthwhile experience for many outdoor enthusiasts. The cliff overlooks the valleys of the Hardanger region. The mountains surrounding the cliff reach heights of up to 1,500 meters. Some of the hilltops have plains which are interspersed with lakes. Patches of snow are present in some areas, even in the summer months. Due to heavy use by tourists, the trail to Trolltunga quickly turns to mud after a rain in the summer,